Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. March 8, 2026, Sunday Racing. Magkasunod na po natin nagawa ang ating content, Saturday and Sunday Racing. So ngayon dito po tayo sa araw ng linggo, dito pa rin sa Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Ngayong araw ng linggo po ay mas marami ang ating mga races, umabot ng 9. Siyam na races po ngayong araw ng linggo. Patuloy po, Veracom Rating Based Handicap System Race. Mas maaga ang starting time ng karera, 2 p.m. alas 2 ng hapon. Ngayong araw ng linggo, ang ganap ng Club Don Juan de Manila 25th Founding Anniversary Special Race. Dahil araw ng linggo, Happy Family Day po. Bago po ang ating mga cool choices to each and every one of you sa ating mga matagal nang taga-subaybay, bagong taga-subaybay, mga bagong subscriber. Muli, Happy Family Day po sa inyong lahat. The family that prays together, stay together, at manatili pong kayong ligtas. Manatili po tayong ligtas. Stay safe po tayo. Let's begin our cool choices now. Race 1, first winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Race 1, may Super 6 event. At dito sa race 1, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 11, Cluster, with Jackie AP, Asuncion. Cool second choice, number 1, baka dito, maybe this race na. Cool second choice, number 1, Saratoga Chrome, with JB Hernandez on top. At cool third choice, number 7, Concrete Solution, is keeper by CM Pilapil. Race 2, first Big 5, covers races 2 to 6. Ito po ang Club Don Juan de Manila Anniversary Special Race 2. Is sponsored ng Metro Manila Turf Club Incorporated. Dito po sa race 2, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Birdstone. Sa aking pong humble assessment, lamang. But just in case, meron po tayong option kung magdadalawa or ipapalit. Decision na po ninyo. Ang ating pong option choice, number 6, Miss Ocala. Race 3. Winner take all na naman, second set. Covers races 3 to 9, may Super 6 event. Magkasunod po pala yung ating mga stake races. At ito naman ay ang Club Don Juan de Manila Anniversary Special Race 1. Sponsored naman ito ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Dito po sa race 3, ang ating pong cool first choice, coupled entry, 2, Batang Pasay, 2A, Mutya ng Pasay. So yung isa male, lalaki, at yung isa naman ay Pilis, babae. Ang ating pong cool second choice, just in case gusto nyo magdalawa, cool second choice, number 9, Greatest Moment. Race 4, Pick 6, covers races 4 to 9. Ito pong race 4 ay isang special race handog ng MMTCI in celebration for the Philippine Women's Month. Kasi ang buwan ng Marso ay Philippine Women's Month. Dito sa race 4, ang ating pong napiling cool first and only choice, number 3, Potential, with AP Asuncion riding. Race 5. Punta na po tayo sa likod ng programa. Second pick 5 covers races 5 to 9. May Super 6 event. Rating base handicap group 22 hanggang 27 solid. Ang ating pong napiling cool first choice, number 3, Sonic Clay, C.A. Reyes on the saddle. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 8, Big Battle, with Jackie J.R. de Ocampo. At ang ating pong third choice, likely na malalamado dito. Cool third choice number 11, Transform, with JT Sarate on top. Race 6, pick 4 covers races 6 to 9. May Pentafecta event. Rating base handicap group, solid 11 to 15. Dito po sa race 6, ang ating pong cool first and only choice, 6 din. High Octane with Jackie JT Sarate. Race 7, may Super 6, solid na rating base handicap group, 6 hanggang 10. Dito po sa race 7, ang ating pong cool first choice, ating pong ini-expect. Ako po, ini-expect ko. Banderang tapos, wire-to-wire finish. Number 2, Aliana. Cool second choice. Ito naman, Reremate. Cool second choice number 3, Kalanggaman Island. Race 8. May Pentafecta, penultimate race. Ito po yung nag-iisang race na 1 milya, 1,600. At ito rin po yung nag-iisang race na merge, I think, no, ng dalawang grupo. Kung ating pong i-analyze nga, ang mataas 34 hanggang 39 at ang mababa 28 hanggang 33. So yung pinakamataas dito ay nasa 37, si Rumored. So ngayon ating pong napiling cool first and only choice, napupunto, nagbibilang ng panalo. Cool first and only choice number 7, Ready to Risk It All, with Jackie J.A. Guse. Last race, race 9, paratingan, may Super 6 event. Rating base handicap group, 6 hanggang 10, solid. At dito sa last race, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 6, Equitem, with Jackie Jim L. Ziego. Cool second choice, number 7, Sky Lover, J.A. Guse on top. At cool third choice, number 10, last to enter, malamang, first to go out. Number 10, cool third choice natin is Nikki Eyes, J.B. Hernandez riding. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!